We got Deuce Lloyd, a freshman that's just one of the best passers I've ever seen.
Someone other than Gonzalez scoring on that one. Onakpoma getting the 2 for AC. Sika. Deuce Lloyd. No!
Jerked away by Ottawa and taken by Tremaine Lee, and now the Spirit on the run again. Deuce Lloyd out front, it comes to Moore, drives left, cut off by Clayton Jewell. Back out front, it comes to Lloyd, right side guarded by YG. Whips a pass inside, wide open for the layup. It's
chance to get up to one possession here. Deuce Lloyd backs in. Shamar Moore will take a 3 from the corner.
Deuce at the free throw line. Drives, stops, pulls into the, getting absolutely jacked up. Gives it off to Orr.
Just about 3 minutes on that route. Deuce Lloyd comes up with a rebound. He's had quite a game. Looking for double digits is Deuce Lloyd, but he sees a trailing. Deuce Lloyd checks in. Vukala in the corner hits the 4. Gagliardi with 4 seconds. Deuce Lloyd, boy, looked like he had an open shot, but Vukala will take the corner.
Not a lot of whistles in this first half. The refs are letting them play, letting them go at it.
Yeah, just 3 team fouls on the Spirit, 2 on ACU.
Klingler to Hackett. Hackett cannot finish though, and Deuce Lloyd gets the rebound for the Spirit. Brings it all the way up the court. Quick 3.
Baseline Deuce Lloyd trying to work his way in the basket. Quinn. Well, 12 of their 14 from 3. Zeke Vukala.
To Orr. Gill drives, lays it off. Over to Lloyd. Lloyd spins around, dishes, three-pointer on its way from
the basket and put it in.
They're getting anything they want on the offensive end right now.
10-point lead now. And
kind of look like the Golden State Warriors at this point.
Checking in there, number 14, Deuce Lloyd. Hands it off to Moore. Taking the ball, passes it to Lloyd. Lloyd across.
Nice pick.
3 shot here, and